श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री दत्त गुरुवे नमः। श्री श्रीपाद वल्लभाय नमः। श्री 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 विठलानंद सरस्वती गुरुवे नमः। With the blessing of Guru Parampara, Datta Parampara, my Sannyasa Guru, Diksha Guru, Sri 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 Vitthalananda Saraswati Maharaj blessed me, guiding me. That's why I am starting to proceed for Sri Guru Charitra Parayana with the grace and blessings of Himalaya Yoga Parampara, Guru Parampara, Datta Parampara, Avadhuta Parampara. Dhanyavad, dhanyavad, Satguru. Thanks to everyone. Now let us start this holy Sri Guru Charitra Parayana from introduction, preface given by the publishers about Sri Guru Charitra, power of Guru Charitra and importance of Guru Charitra. Let us know the introduction. Sri Guru Charitra, a religious book giving a brief life story of Sri Nrsimha Saraswati Swami Maharaj, was written in the 15th century by one of his closest disciples. This book is a treasure house of religious events related to the life of Sri Nrsimha Saraswati. It is read with great reverence by the devotees of Lord Sri Dattatreya. The Sri Guru Charitra is the life of Sri Guru Dattatreya, an incarnation of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. It was originally written in Vovi form, a Marathi meter, in Marathi by Sri Saraswati Gangadhar, whose ancestor Shyamdev had personally lived and served with devotion Guru Nrsimha Saraswati, an incarnation of Sri Dattatreya about 600 years ago. It was later translated into Sanskrit by Sri Vasudevananda Saraswati, then by Swami, who is regarded by many as an incarnation of Sri Dattatreya and who lived about 100 years ago. It has been later translated into several other languages. This volume is regarded as divine, capable of blessing one and all who read it with respect, and is placed with images of gods and adored in almost all devotees' houses of Maharashtra. Now it is maximum all over India and foreign also. It is much respected and is very popular like Vedas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavat and other Puranas in Sanskrit, and Jnaneshwari, Dasabodha, Eknath Bhagavat, etc. in Marathi. In the last century, it has spread its influence far and wide, and legion are the experiences got by those devotees who read it regularly with respect. Sri Dattatreya had taken birth at the ashram of Atri and Anasuya in very old times, Krita Yuga, and it is believed that his two incarnations, namely Sri Pada Sri Vallabha and Sri Narasimha Saraswati, had taken place in the Deccan in about the 14th and 15th century AD, respectively. Sri Manikya Prabhu, Sri Akkalkot Maharaj, Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi, and Sri Vasudevananda Saraswati are some of the great saints who are considered as the avatars, incarnations, or amsas, taking a part of his powers of Sri Dattatreya. This is the historical period when the Bahamani kingdom was split up into 5 different kingships, one of which, named Bidar, is mentioned in this volume. Sri Guru Charitra depicts the life missions of these 2 incarnations. The original volume contains 52 chapters, and it is written in the form of conversation between Namadharak and his spiritual guru Sri Siddhamuni, who was a disciple of Sri Narasimha Saraswati. Several miraculous deeds are associated with these 2 gurus. 5 such deeds are relating to Sri Pada Sri Vallabha, chapter 5 to 10, and 26 are relating to Sri Narasimha Saraswati, chapters 11 to 51. Besides, many mythological, means Puranic, tales have also been narrated in this volume by way of illustration. The main aim of the book is to extol the greatness of the spiritual preceptor, that is Guru, and to dispel the ignorant notion that he is just another human. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. Om Siddhakriya Babaji Namaha. It is composed of 176 Sanskrit slokas and 34 Marathi OVs. At the beginning and 21 in the end, 13 at the beginning and 21 in the end. In some of the later scripts, it seems that this chapter of Sri Guru Gita is deleted, probably it being in Sanskrit, and the 41st chapter is split up into 2 chapters, keeping the number of chapters the same, that is 52. The gist of Sri Guru Gita is included in this volume. The research scholars of medical sciences have a good opportunity of thinking over and analyzing the means that have been used by Sri Guru for cure of acute gastric pain, leprosy, toxic irritations, revival to life, sterility of females, etc. Of course, it is an admitted fact that the yogic and divine power of Sri Guru is mainly responsible for these miracles to a great extent. Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi also performed similar miracles to reinforce the faith of his devotees. In order that the general public, males and females, should be acquainted with the contents of this great popular volume, a humble attempt was made by this author and Subodh Shri Guru Charitra in Marathi. Prose was published in November 1952 on Datta Jayanti, Margashira Purnima. The author desires to bring about an edition in Hindi, the national language of Bharat, and also an English edition of this book, for the interested readers spread all over the world. It is an experienced fact that the reading of such literature gives mental peace to those who are worried due to different miseries of this worldly life, and also encourages and guides them to go ahead on the path of self-emancipation by making their lives sublime and full of highest bliss. The present book in English was started by Sri Lakshman Narayan Joshi some years back, so as to make this spiritual treasure available to wider sections of people. Unfortunately for us, Sri L.N. Joshi is now no more, having left his physical body on 13th October 1981 to merge in and abide at the lotus feet of Guru Nath, which was his yearning all throughout his life. It is a matter of regret for us that his physical eyes could not see the book in print, but we feel sure that his spirit will rejoice and be happy that the efforts he had begun have at last borne fruit, and that the book has now seen the light of day. Let us make it clear that this is but a free rendering and an abridged version of the original version of Guru Charitra. The original text was compiled by Sri Saraswati Gangadhar, a fully enlightened soul and who was drunk deep in Guru Tattva. It was compiled by him in Marathi in Ovi form of poetry. The same was transcribed into Sanskrit by the great saint Sri Vasudevananda Saraswati, 1954 to 1914, a contemporary of Sainath, that is Shirdi Sai Baba of Shirdi. A complete rendering into English of the original text is a colossal and formidable task and is far beyond our capacity and competence. We cannot conclude the preface without acknowledging our deep debt of gratitude to Sri P.B. Paranjape, dearly called as Nana, of Suman Nagar, Chembur, Mumbai. It was he who has encouraged all us through and instilled in us confidence and helped us complete this scared book. Sri Nana is a very saintly person and is an example of extreme humility, great devotion, selfless love and all goodness. He is a highly endowed spiritual soul and many come to him for spiritual succor. It is with his endeavors that Sri Swami Samartha Vishwa Kalyan Kendra was founded in 1981 with its center at Apta, Karnala, Panvel Taluka, Raigad district, Maharashtra, for the propagation of teachings and philosophy of Sri Akkalkot Maharaj. We are dedicating this book to this Vishwa Kalyana Kendra with pranams unto the Guru Padukas of Gangapur and praying that they would be ever showering their grace and succor on all. Thanks to Datta Sai Spiritual Kendra, Bangalore also. I am praying to all the divine souls involved in this divine task, this Sri Guru Charitra. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara, 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 Sripada Vallabha Digambara, 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 Avadhuta Chintana Digambara. Sri Sachidananda Samartha Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Avadhuta Chintana Sri Gurudeva Datta.